Hello, my name is Stefanus Dion. I'm from Malang. Today I will tell you about my lecturer, Mr. Yudi Yuwono. I will tell about Mr. Rudy from an article. The title is QB Team Welcome a Visit from Japan. Killer Bacteria or QB, winner of SOI Asia Business Plan Contest 2013, visited by guests from Japan. Research Assistant Entrepreneurship Network representative from School on the Internet Asia project, known as SOI Asia, Goy Ho Chin, came to meet the winner of SOI Asia Business Plan Contest 2013. In addition, he also visited to see the readiness of the QB team that will go to Japan as top prize as the winner of the annual event. Goy Ho Chin, welcomed by QB team accompanied by Supervisor Rudy Yuwono in Computing and Network Laboratory of Department of Electrical Engineering, Faculty of Engineering, Universitas Brawijaya. In a laboratory that is used for experiment of computer programming, they discuss about future development plans for QB. Goy Ho Chin said SOI Asia Business Plan Contest is entrepreneurship development program conducted by SOI Asia, which is followed by 28 universities from 14 countries in Asia. They want to empower and increase student opportunities in Asia as the future of entrepreneurs. Goy Ho Chin also reviewed the readiness of QB team to go to Japan. He gives freedom for team to plan trips, activities, and places that will be visited. But he hoped that the team can be responsible for their plans. This is also a standpoint for education and entrepreneurship. I hope the QB team become a role model for the UB student, he added. Rudy Yuwono, as the supervisor of QB, explained the function of Tridharma Perguruan Tinggi to Goy Ho Chin. The development of QB as one of Tridharma Perguruan Tinggi and the success of winning SOI Asia Business Plan Contest 2013 was the initial step for the commercialization of the product. He also appreciated the visit of Goy Ho Chin to Indonesia. He believed that Goy Ho Chin visit can also give direction to the team, aside from meeting face-to-face with the winners. He also hopes the sustainability of the program. As an entrepreneur, you have to know the value of opportunity, as said by the lecturer who came from Tulungagung. Besides discussion, Goy Ho Chin has opportunity to see the products made by the QB team. And according to the plan, while in Japan, the QB team will visit Keio University and Chiba University to develop QB in technical and financial terms.